Morning, afternoon, evening people, welcome back to the channel. If it's your first time here, I'm Tony, this is Teddy. We're over the allotment today and we're harvesting onions. These are the onions we harvested today, so I planted about 140. I've done several videos. Did one video where I got these going in modules, another video I planted them out, and then I did another harvest. So what I had is I had a lot of big onions and smaller ones around them running out of space to grow. So I harvested the bigger onions to leave the smaller ones more time to grow bigger. And as you can see, it's worked a treat. We'll put that video on the screen up here at the end of this video. So let's get harvesting. So I'm trying to be quick here because we're expecting rain today. However, it's been really dry for the last 3 or 4 days. It's been in between 27 and 30 degrees every day. So all I'm doing is, as I harvest the onions, I'm chopping that end off, taking away the roots, put them to one side, and I'll do that with them all. As you can see, because of the beautiful weather we've had, these onions are nice and dry already. But if we are going to dry them out more, I'm going to show you how I'm going to do that towards the end of the video. Look at the size of that one. Anyway, so we're trying to beat the rain here today. It is going to rain. So because of the dry weather we've had, they've been really dry. I'm trying to get them in as quick as possible. So I'm going up chopping them down. I'm just putting them in these net sacks like this. Pick these up on Amazon, I'll link them in the description. What I'm going to do is fill these net sacks up with the onions and then we'll dry them out in these. Show you that in a minute. Okay, so that's all the onions harvested. Done it as quick as possible. Going to beat the rain. So that bed is going to be getting weeded and we're going to have some bush beans in there I've got going on the windowsill, hope for a late crop. These onions here I planted, I want those to bolt and go to seed. However, the tops have been destroyed. If I leave those in the ground, they'll shoot up again next year and they should bolt and we'll get some seed. So they're staying in there. Okay, so in the polytunnel, come on in. I've just been harvesting tomatoes there. Tomato video coming up soon. There's my garlic. Now my polytunnel isn't very humid, so I'm leaving the door open. So this garlic has been cured in the polytunnel. So with the onions, same thing. So see my 2 sacks of onions there. With them being in these sacks, it allows for airflow. And they're very dry as it is anyway. So we'll leave them hanging there for a few days. In an ideal world, you put them on racking. However, the amount of onions I've got, I wouldn't have enough racking. Now then, once these onions are completely dry, cured, like you can see they're dry anyway, because the weather's been so hot. These will store fine in a cool, dry place, like your shed, but it's got to be dry. Now when going through the onions, if you come across any when you harvest them that are a bit soft, starting to go soft, if still edible, eat those first. Any that have got any kind of insect or slug damage, put them to one side, eat them first. You want the nice, decent, dry ones with no damage for your long-term storage over winter. So these onions should last me all winter, providing that I store them right. So, if you want to see the video, other onion harvest video, where I harvested the onions to get these one space to grow bigger, I'll put it up here. If you enjoy that video, give us a big thumbs up. If you want to see more gardening and beekeeping videos, hit subscribe. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.